There's number 1 for Jackie. I moved her in the birthing pen just in time. She was in here about a half an hour, and now comes the baby. It's awful cold too. She couldn't have waited till morning when it warmed up a little bit. It's been snowing as we've been having babies tonight. Well, there is number 2. It's been about 2 hours again. So long wait for this one. And it's prettier, but darn it, it's another boy. So she has had 2 boys so far. Let's hope she's hiding a little girl in there. That would be nice. But yeah, we had a little bit of a wait for this one. Just like Miss Kitty made us wait for 2 hours. She's busy cleaning up everything else except him. She'll figure it out. Got him up on the towel, and he's getting perky even without Mama licking on him yet. But yep, he's gonna be a pretty one. There, she found him. She had him standing up, so I think she didn't realize she had another one yet. She had the first one standing up too. So she didn't want to lay down for some reason. I'm thinking there's a number 3 in there, but she was pretty fat. But we'll see if she starts pushing again. Oh, yep, there it comes. Oh, goodness, what a rude awakening, huh? What a rude awakening. There, we got its mouth all cleaned off. So we have a number 3, and it's almost white. I see a black spot. And it is another boy, darn it. 3 boys. The first one is already in the house. Well, there they are. You can tell which one's been here an extra couple hours. But yeah, they all had their first bottle. And I actually gave the first one his second bottle because he was ready to eat again. And you can see the little white one black spot. From what I can tell, that's all he has. But anyway, so there's Jackie's babies, and I'll get more pictures of them later when they're a little bigger. But they're just, well, the black one is about 4 hours old, and the 2 little ones are close to 2 hours old. Here it is in the wee hours of the morning. We got a big snowstorm. Just in a few hours, but it was coming down pretty good for just a few hours of snow. You can see how much is on the railing. We probably have 1.5 inches. And the steps are covered again. I've been walking on them. Anyway, that's what was going on while Jackie was having her babies. It's just not gonna quit snowing, I don't think. It's still snowing. It's trying to melt now on the driveway. But yeah, we're getting lots of snow. Well, here they are at 6 hours old. All up and fuzzy and doing good. They all had a good bottle this time. Yep, they're all doing good. And you wouldn't know by looking at them, but it's about 32 degrees and we got 2 inches of snow on the ground. Here, baby. So these are the 3 boys that Jackie gave me. In the next video, we'll hopefully have their names picked out and they'll be out in the nursery. So the other ones have some friends now. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. See how heavy it is on the backside of the trees? That is coming this way. You could see the neighbor's house just a minute ago. And it is 42 degrees out.